This is probably going to be one of our last filmed walks in the desert before we get out of here. Temperatures hope approaching 100 degrees in a few days, and people are leaving like right and left. So we're going to be one of the few left here. There'll still be people here, no doubt about it. They'll still hang out for a while, but we're going to try to head to higher altitudes and a little cooler temperatures because A, the dog and I can't take this hot weather, and B, he is blowing his coat like crazy. Look at that. We're leaving our trail along the desert, just a bunch of white fur floating everywhere. Yeah, we should be out here pretty soon, hopefully, and get moving north. Waiting on one more package to show up. I got a notification today that it was supposed to be here in, it said 2 days shipping, but the UPS notification said it's 6 days. So hopefully UPS can get it here a lot faster than the 6 days. We don't want to wait all the way through the heat spell to get a package, but we'll see what happens. And here's Zen over here. He's laying down, taking it cool in the shade of the wash. And it hadn't been too bad today. I think it's about 93 today for the high. So it wasn't too bad. Had a pretty good breeze. But when you get in the sun, it's just hot, hot. And when you get in the shade, it's not too bad. And we're waiting for the sun to go down at night because that's when it really gets comfortable for us. You can just see the white fur floating around Zen over there now. He's losing it like crazy. That boy needs to get up in the mountains, don't you? I have a bird inside my tent. Let's see if I can make him go out the door. I'm going to put the phone down so I can make him move. Looks like he's a little stressed. And just like that, he flew right out the door and disappeared. Zen was not worried about it at all. Whew, it's getting so warm out here. I think I'll take myself for a bike ride on my HOVSCO bike. The nice thing about it is I don't even have to pedal. Ooh, here we go. The nice thing about it is, like I said, I don't have to pedal, but sure is nice to get the breeze through your skin. Some of you may remember I built this cart for my dog, which, you know what, I think the dog's going to win, but we're going to keep trying on it. But in the meantime, I'm going to hook it up behind my bike here And we're going to use this as a utility cart. It's going to be really good for when I get to the campground in Utah. So I can put stuff in here and I can go around, especially when my golf cart is either broken down or out of gas. I got electric power. I got the sun to charge it, and we're ready to go. So I can put my stuff in there and I can go around and clean bathrooms. I don't have to walk. But yeah, I'm going to use it as my utility cart. All right, let's get this thing moving here. Whew, just like that. It's going to be real good for going up the hills and things around Utah because it's got a lot of power. It's got the big motor. They can pull this. They can handle up to 450 pounds, which is me plus, if the dog was in here, and another 100 pounds after that. So in the meantime, I'll just put stuff in here, like my ladder and different things. If I want to haul, like if I want to make scraps and get rid of things, look at there. This has now become my dog carrier, but also a scrap wagon. I can take it down to the trash can and get rid of things. So yeah, that's my HOVSCO bike. If you need want one of those, discount code's down below. Get in. Come on, here you go. There you go. Come get in. Get your treat. Here, right here. Come on in here and sit down. Here. No, right here. Come here. Come here. It's been a while since they've been trying to get in here. Right here. Come on. There you go. Come on in. Come on in and have a seat. Here, sit down. Come on in. Sit. Sit. There you go. Good boy. Want a treat? Got to give treats to keep the dog happy. Yep. We'll eventually get this dog here. Hopefully we'll get riding. But in the meantime, I'm in no hurry. He's in no hurry. Believe me that. Are you? Oh, can get out. There you go. One treat there. All right. Want to try it again? All right, come get in. Here, come on. Come on, get in. Got tempting with treats. Come on. There you go. Come on in. Here. Come on, sit down. Come on, sit down. Here. Come here. Here, right here. Come here. Come on in. You want this? Come on. Right here. Here you go. I'm giving you a little coaxing. There you go. I'll just get near him. Come on, sit down. There you go. Sit. There you go. Good. In the meantime, he won't ride in the cart. In a few minutes, we're going to get together and we're going to walk out in the desert. Oh, you want to get out? All right. Go ahead. There you go. A couple treats. He likes those treats. Well, that's it for right now. You'll get more every time you get in and out of the cart. Okay, this is your special dog training treats. Yeah, this is a fun bike to ride. If I had more cooperation with my dog and he'd go with me, I'd be riding it more often, but it's pretty nice. We're going to wait a few more minutes, like I said, till the sun gets a little further down to take some of the heat off the desert, because we're going to have to put up our little feet and go walking. In the meantime, I'm just going to cruise around a little bit. Oh, well, there we have it. Cruising around the desert. Kind of handy. Like I said, this is going to be handy, especially when I get to Utah with my trailer. In the meantime, I'll say thanks everybody for watching. See you guys on around the desert or somewhere.